अस्सलाम वालेकुम, मेरा नाम है अस्मा मुस्तफ़ा खान। आई एम एन एंटरप्रेन्योर, अ लाइफ कोच एंड मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंटली अ मम। मैंने पार्टनर किया है डव पाकिस्तान के साथ फॉर दिस वेलनेस सीरीज सो दैट आई कैन हेल्प द वर्किंग मदर्स टू बी मोर, स्पेशली इन दीज क्रेजी टाइम्स। मुझे लगता है हम माओं के ऊपर बहुत ज़्यादा प्रेशर होता है कि ये करो ये करो ये करो, यू नो, ऑल दिस प्रेशर टू डू मोर इन ऑर्डर टू बी द परफेक्ट मम. Well, I really hope that through this series we understand that it's important to do more, but maybe it's far more important to be more. To help you understand this, let me remind you of all those moments where you thought you had clearly not done enough. याद है आपको जब वर्क ट्रिप पे जाना था और बच्चों को पीछे छोड़ना पड़ा था, how miserable you felt. You remember the time when every time you'd open your Instagram और आपकी दोस्त ने बहुत ही healthy meals की तस्वीरें डाली होती थी जो वो अपने बच्चों को सर्व कर रही होती थी, and you felt so unhappy looking at that because आपके पास इतना वक्त नहीं था कि आप इतना इंतजाम कर सकें. और वो दिन जब आप पेरेंट टीचर मीटिंग पे जाना भूल गई, remember how disappointed you were with yourself. You know, day in day out, we working mothers go through guilt immensely. और फिर वक्त ने ली करवट. स्कूल हो गए बंद, दफ्तर हो गए बंद, ऑनलाइन स्कूलिंग एंड वर्क फ्रॉम होम became part of our lives. After the initial anxiety, remember how great you felt thinking कि वाह, अब मैं घर पे जरा ज्यादा वक्त गुजारूंगी, बच्चों को जरा ज्यादा टाइम दूंगी. फिर जैसे जैसे दिन गुजरे, ऑफिस आवर्स लंबे से लंबे होते चले गए. आपके रोल्स भी बढ़ गए. You were the boss at work, but you were much more at home. You were the mom, you were the teacher, the chef, the cleaner, everything. मगर आपने भी ठान ली थी कि सुपर मम तो बन के रहेंगे. You realized कि ये सुपर मम बनने की कीमत तो बहुत ज़्यादा अदा करनी पड़ रही है. आपने ये realize किया कि you really can't do it all. So when you're watching this today, all I want to say is well done, mama. Well done for re-evaluating your criteria for success. Well done for rethinking your definition of a supermom. And most importantly, well done for choosing not to do it all in order to really have it all. So एक लंबी गहरी सांस लें and give yourself a pat on the back. You've done enough. You are enough. So let's shift our focus on being more. And for this, I want to share a simple tool that my teachers taught me. It's called the 3D. यानी कि do, delegate, drop. Do यानी कि वो काम करें जो करने में आपको मजा आए. No matter how challenging the task may be, but tasks that you really enjoy doing. वो काम जो आपको लगता है आपके अलावा भी कोई और लोग कर सकते हैं घर में, उन कामों को करें delegate. भाई अब मियाँ और बच्चों की कोई जिम्मेदारियां तो होनी चाहिए, मगर वो काम जो करने के लिए शायद आपके पास भी वक्त नहीं है और घर में दूसरे अफराद के पास भी वक्त नहीं है, उन कामों को कर दें ड्रॉप. A dirty house for one day is not going to kill anybody. Remember, doing what you happily can, delegating the things that someone else can do, and dropping altogether the things that neither you have the time for nor anyone else in the family is going to help you be a happier you. And we all know that happy mums are the best mums. Try the 3Ds and share your stories. Till then, stay home, stay safe.
I want to offer you a thinking pattern which will help you live guilt-free, well, almost mostly. I call it life. So to live guilt-free, the L, which is to live guilt-free, you gotta do the IFE. Number 1, invite support. Ask the kids, husband, in-laws, parents, friends to help wherever you think it's needed. That's the I. The F, do things that fuel your purpose. Remind yourself why you chose to work. Remind yourself why you chose to have kids. Remind yourself why did you get married. Remind yourself of the whys behind the big and small decisions of your life repeatedly in order to keep fueling your purpose. Empathize yourself is the E at the end. This is lastly and most importantly, practice self-compassion. Forgive yourself when you falter, express gratitude and be mindful. Set aside some time for yourself every day, an hour or two, whatever works for you. Read, sleep, run, jog, do whatever heals you.